Oh, perch.
Hey, jump.
Yeah, it jumps perch. All jump perch down there.
And this must be a
Yeah.
fresh one.
Alright guys, welcome back to BPV Outdoors. Today I'm on the Mississippi fishing for walleyes, and I'm here with my son. This is our first open water outing of 2026. So the water is open. You know, interesting because this is kind of the start of March, and there's some sort of a debris flown around, but there's still some launch that are iced up, but this launch right here is not iced up. So we found this launch out of it, and we're on our way to the dam. Pool 4 is what they call it. I don't think we're gonna keep any fish. Like I said, to each their own, but I usually don't keep fish on the Mississippi River. This will be a catch and release. But yeah, it is a beautiful day out here today, this morning. And first time taking a boat out this year. It feels so nice. That guy just flew through us. All right, guys, we just got here, and this is the first drop. See what we can find. You do see some fish on the sonar as well, too. So on the live scope, drop it down here and see what we do. Well, there's a fish down there, right there. Oh, missed them. Yeah, right there. You're holding the bottom. Sweet. Oh, there you go. See what it is. Oh, the school perch. Look at that. That was a school perch that came by. There you go. First fish of the season. Let it go. That was an old school perch. Oh, there's a long one right there. I don't know what it is. Let me have that stirred. But we are just drop shotting because the fish are just swimming right below us. So I missed 2 already. Little one.
Man.
Is it gonna rain? Shit. They said it was gonna be nice today. A tiny walleye.
Lost the floor.
Let's see if I can catch that thing. I don't know what that thing up there is. I know they made the thing on issue. We made it small. Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah. This one's fighting.
Man.
He's fighting.
Perch.
Oh, perch.
Hey, jumbo.
Yeah, it's jumbo perch. It's all jumbo perch down there.
Yeah, this must be a
Yeah.
perch.
Wow. Big.
That's,
Yeah. There's a whole school of them down here. Yeah. No, just 32. We're gonna head up there though. Sauger. I wonder if we should move up a boat up there.
idiots. I'm idiots.
Oh, there it is.
Come on.
Oh, bigger one. So we are at about 40 feet of water on this dam here. It's got some fast current underneath. And because of the water, because of the dam, the water's unstable. So under here, there's lots of current going on, going in circles and things like that. So our boats are kind of going in circle as well. But we're anchored pretty good. Deixa eu jogar 38 again. 39, 38. That one? Yeah, go ahead. Okay. Oh, 45. Ooh, big one.
Good. Big. Yep. That's a good one, though.
Yeah, 15, 12.
Plump.
I don't, yeah. Yeah, the video.
A smallie.
Smallie?
Lots of nice ones.
All right, guys, we are done fishing. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and the fish wasn't picking up. We're catching little ones, so we decided to call it quit. It was a very productive day. We didn't catch any big ones worth taking pictures, but like I said this morning, it is our first time 2026 open water, so it feels good to be on the boat and to feel that tug and to be able to catch fish. So we're happy, and I hope you enjoyed the video, although there's nothing big, but there are a lot of boaters today, so come out and try your luck. All right, be safe out there until the next BPV video.